she probably would tell me that I could have 4 for $1, but these are little fall drawer organizers. A lot of people are using them for school supplies and things like that for their kids, but for me, I got a lot of like random odds and ends. Like, I'm pretty sure Austin's, my husband, is gonna be really excited about me organizing my stuff. So he did not hesitate when I bought 3 of these. I got these from Hobby Lobby. So this is a beautiful gold and white pumpkin. You could see the detail on there. It's from the Robert Stanley Signature Collection from Hobby Lobby. They have a lot of really nice stuff. This is gonna probably end up on either, or if not my table scape, it's gonna end up on the mantle. So we'll walk through that decor. Originally priced, this is about 20 bucks, but part of the reason why I start shopping so early is because right before the fall starts, they have everything 40% off. So this 40% off, and I actually got 2 of them. This is kind of like the OCD part of me. I'm not OCD about a lot of things, but I kind of like, you'll notice I buy things in pairs or 3s, or maybe 1 occasionally. But yeah, you'll see a lot of 2s. Again, that was from Hobby Lobby. And then I got these cute little, so in our house, a lot of our stuff downstairs has like navy blue or blue, and I don't really like this stem. I'm pretty sure I could probably remove it and just, or cover it with either like jute or maybe even some twigs. But this is like this fluffy velvety blue, and I thought it would be cute, especially when you look at it from far away. It's not that bad. So I got these. These were $4 originally, but of course 40% off, so I got 2 of those. No surprise. And I actually had a gift card from Christmas. So thanks to Lisa for getting us that, because I got all this stuff with it. Also got a cute bag of pine cones. So you can spray paint these pine cones in a gold color or a silver, depending on what colors you are accenting your table with, let's say. I may consider getting some pine cones and doing like a blue, or I may keep them the way they are. And then there are a bunch of white and orange pumpkins with this pack, and this whole pack was $8 originally, but it was on sale, so good deal. And actually from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree, part of the tablescape, and hopefully you don't get all glare with this, but, and you can see my head is not that big, but it's kind of big. So these chargers are pretty big, but these charger plates, I've seen these online and at like places like Pier 1 for like $10 bucks, 15 bucks each. These were $1, so I got 6 of them for my table setting. There are a couple more things that need to come in for my table, so when those come in, we'll do a whole unboxing of those things, and then we'll do a how to decorate your table. So we have got this really nice fall rust colored pillow. This is a little bit more muted than some of the other colors that we have, but I thought this was a great fall color for a while to have. So to kind of balance some of that, this pillow that has a lot of those notes of the grayish blue we just kind of saw, and then some of the corally kind of colors, so that's kind of cool. So I have 2 of these. I don't know the exact price, but I can get those for you if you're interested. You may laugh, especially if you're from New York, because you're gonna wonder why the heck. I know there are a few people that may watch this video and be like, what was she thinking? But like, how funny is this squirrel holding an acorn? This reminds me of growing up at my grandma's house. She always had they had a lot of acorns in their backyard, and there were always squirrels just holding on to them just like this. So this brings back a lot of cute memories, but also it's fall, you know? Part of the harvest is, you know, saving and putting things away. So we got 2 of these. They're originally 12 bucks. They were on sale. They're cute though. Really like them. So I told you our theme downstairs is like blue. So you'll notice I have a lot of white, I have a little bit of the blue, and so we found some more Robert Stanley Signature Collection items. This one says Simply Blessed, which is kind of cute. And then this one says Give Thanks. So yeah, you know, you get a full 2 months now if you start in August to have your fall stuff up. So before Thanksgiving. So yeah, these are cute. We're gonna probably put these on our mantle also. No surprise, two items there. All right, next is this beautiful pure bronzy gold kind of coppery pumpkin. This pumpkin is also from Hobby Lobby, and they're about $6, but they're like perfect to go side by side these bigger pumpkins. So if they don't end up on my table, they'll probably end up on the mantle, but they're so versatile, you can really put them anywhere in your house. So really excited about those. And then fall is a great time to organize, obviously. I've talked about that a little bit. And then these their dollar bins had a bunch of organizing items for your drawers, multiple sizes. They kind of stack on each other. So like if you want to layer like lip glosses or lipsticks or maybe even jewelry, you can do all of that in your drawers. So I got a ton of these and they're all in this container. So got some from the dollar store. They didn't have the full selection, but you can get pretty much the same colors. I also think the fall and spring is a good time to refresh things that may be broken. So, you know, for me, it happens to be one of my cutting boards that I bought a while back. It's kind of like splitting. So that was a good time to get. They had this 3-piece cutting board set on sale. So I just got that. And then also $5 bins, so they're actually $2.50 each. You'll notice they're like, you can put little stuff underneath your sink, maybe if you're hoarding soap, because we're still in quarantine or under coronavirus conditions, you can still kind of organize your stuff in there. That's kind of cool. And then it wouldn't be fall without sweaters and beautiful blankets and cozy things. So this actually is one of my favorite finds. This is it's as big as me. It looks like a clothes hamper, but you can use it the way we're gonna use it, and you can notice it, you know, leather and then the gray cozy feel. We're gonna use this for our blankets. So we have a ton of blankets downstairs in our living room. They kind of just end up on the couch. Somewhat messy. So I thought it'd be a good idea to just have a place to put them, and then we can kind of keep everything organized. I know, again, Austin's probably gonna be thrilled that I'm using the word organized a lot in this video. All right, well, when I think of a mantle, I think of, you know, a lot of greenery or some sort of florals to go with your you know, decorative items. I'm kind of like not a traditional floral person. Like a lot of times people will use leaves in the fall. I mean, I'm cool with leaves, but in moderation. I saw these pumpkins that were kind of cute. They have them in orange. They actually have them in a lot of different colors. So if you're trying to figure out like what your fall decor colors are, you know, you can do orange, but you don't have to do orange. So like in this case, on my entryway, I'm probably not gonna put as much orange and keep it kind of scattered around. See, these are some white pumpkins for our entryway. And the orange ones are gonna be actually on my mantle with some of these white pumpkins, so it's not all white up on the mantle. So it'll be really cute. They had these for $7 and they were on sale, so you know, you can get them for half off, so $3 for something like this. And it's really good quality. You can use them in a vase if you wanted to. You could maybe capture them in a vase together and put them on your table as a part of a centerpiece. That would be kind of cute. But yeah, this is see kind of where these end up in another video. And then another thing that I really love, so I mentioned I'm not as much a leaf person, but you'll notice a lot of the stuff that I get has berries. This is actually kind of cute. It has these like little berries in white and orange, and that kind of matches everything that we have here. So we'll be putting that either in our tablescape, on the table, or maybe on the mantle, because you can actually bend it. They call this fall garland, and this was 12 bucks originally priced, so I got it almost half off. So 6 or 7 bucks for this is, and it would kind of make your whole tables. Yeah, this may be my last find here. So I really like simple modern things. Don't normally shop at Hobby Lobby. Here's a tip. Everything will end up on sale at some point. This is originally 30 bucks, but it was on sale for like half off. So it's like 15. But yeah, really good quality. You can even spray paint these because the feel of them is not, it doesn't have like a slippery finish. So you could spray paint this a different color if you wanted. But I hope you're excited. I hope you liked all this stuff. My top favorite finds would have to be, the squirrel makes me laugh, so yeah, I'd have to say the squirrel's one of my top picks. This pumpkin, that's super versatile. I love that it will match really anything fall. The garland, you can put this anywhere, so that's great for a tablescape or your mantle. These big pumpkins, because they really go with any decor. They could go with a rustic decor, they could go with some more of a modern decor. I love that these little pumpkins are only $1 at the Dollar Tree. Pretty good deal. These are not necessarily fall items, right? Like you know, this color could be used year-round. This print could be used year-round. This could be a spring print. But I like, you know, finding things and then kind of mixing it up, so that's cool. Really, I love the idea of having a bin or a basket for all of your, you know, decorative items. Most of the time when you find stuff for blankets, a lot of those baskets have holes in them, and then I just don't think that's sanitary, like having stuff on the floor. So I like the idea of having like an actual bin that you can put stuff in that's clean, that you can spray and disinfect with flu season and all the other crazy stuff going on. So that's the fall haul for 2020. We're excited to get all of this stuff decorated, and Austin's excited to have all of this stuff out of the way. So I'll get started on that, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So yeah, we'll see where this ends up. I have a couple more ideas for the table that I'll share with you.